What's up everybody? Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to open up a folder via command line. Now there's two ways that I'd like to teach you how to do this, because one is a little bit easier if you are near the folder in your command line, and the other is easier if you're not. So to start, you could see here we've got the DigiDank folder. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to my F drive, and then I'm going to go into DigiDank. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and type in start, and we can call out the demo folder, and literally we do that and we'll see that it opens up the demo folder inside of DigiDank here. So what we could also do is we could then say start demo \cmd, and this is going to now open the CMD folder within the demo folder. So as you can see, this is pretty easy. So let's say I wanted to open up my documents folder. What I'd end up doing, because if you use the start command, it may or may not work. It can be pretty picky. What I like to do is just call out explorer.exe, which is the Windows Explorer that we see here. And then I'm going to call out the folder that I want it to open. So I'm going to say users, and then I am going to go to which is my user profile, and then let's open up the desktop. So now what that's going to do is it's going to open up the Explorer window for C:\, users desktop. Thank you. Thank you. It's pretty funny. Anyways, so as you can see here, there's two ways to do it. If you're going to be relative to your current location, then you can use the start command. Otherwise, I recommend using the explorer command and giving it the exact path. Remember that if you do this and your path has a space in it, that you need to make sure you have quotes around your path. So you would just simply go like this, and then you can see the command works now, but what that does is it says, hey, this is the full path, spaces included. If you don't put the quotes around, it stops at the first space and then you get the incorrect path. I will make sure to add all the details to this to my blog, which will be linked down below. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so I know that you like it. Send recommendations on what you want to see next, and most importantly, have a great day.